Hi everybody, this is Haley. I am the Joy teacher over at ArtFusion, and today I'm going to show you a little demo on enameling. Enameling is the process of fusing glass onto metal. So we're going to be using some copper shapes to make colorful little components for jewelry. Here is my copper square already set up with powdered enamel sifted on the surface, ready to be fired. Normally we will be using a large kiln to fire the piece, but today we're going to be experimenting and I'm going to be using a torch to fire this piece. So I'll just be bringing up the temperature of the trivet and the enamel. It's nice and slow. I'm watching the color of the enamel and the color of the copper. I want it to get dark. And then I want a nice rosy glow to be coming from the metal itself. As soon as it starts to glow, the glass will fuse and I'll get a nice glossy surface. As it cools off, you begin to see the color of the enamel actually starting to come out a bit. So it's starting to turn more green. And then we can do another layer. Sign up with the link in our bio, take the enameling class, and do this for yourself.